Welcome, everybody. It's your girl Delores, just a pink girl living in her pink world here on YouTube, here for unboxing. And this time, it is something I bought, so I know what it is, but I just haven't seen it yet. And I'm so excited, I wanted to share it with everybody else. So it's going to be short and simple, but I can't wait. So let's get started. Hi, everybody. Hi. Let's turn this down like this. Not gonna show my address, but here we go. I have a new microphone, and I'm gonna open it. First time seeing it since I've received it. Wanted to open it up with you all because it's unique. Only less than a handful of people know about this and why it's so unique. Okay. Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute. Ladies and gentlemen, my new microphone. Yes. It's got a little thing to go over on top. The so it's got the little sound piece as you see. As you see, it's pink, 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 pink. Also, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a cute little pink microphone. Look at there. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. Comes with the attachments. We have the cord to it. Um, and we have the attachments. So I have one for iPhone and one for I can get it out because I don't have any nails anymore. As you all see, I uh, hard. And yesterday I cut myself doing something, and I'm like, it's like, oh no. But let's see. Okay, this is on Auntie Ellen level where you can't get this out, and this is the part that I need to get out. There we go. There. I was about to say, I'm gonna cut this camera. I'm getting to fighting with this thing. But the USB piece. Um. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have headphones in right now. So what we're gonna do is we're going to pause this for a second, hook it up, and see if my sound sounds better with this microphone. Okay? I will be right back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. We're back. Less than a minute, hooked it up. It's very simple to use. Can you hear me now? Okay. Uh, it is seems very easy. So let's see. We're gonna turn the volume down. Or it also has noise cancellation on there. Uh, you can plug a headphone in the. I don't want to sound too loud with you to the bottom. I can mute. Do you not hear me? Um, yeah, this is a pretty cool thing, and I wanted to get it so you all can hear me better. Slowly but surely step my game up in these YouTube streets and just streets, period. And so I again appreciate all of you all. Uh, Typical Dolores. Hey, this has been fun. We got to cut the lights out. It's time to go, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you for coming to my unboxing. Cause yes, yes. Trying to be cool out here in these streets. So we have unboxings this week. This is the unboxing on the I don't forgot the date this is. This is so make sure. Oh, it's the 11th because the 10th. Happy birthday, not there. Um, the birthday was yesterday, and I did my birthday review yesterday. We've already had Auntie Ellen and RX Nails unboxing. Don't forget, we also will have uh, Delores Loves Art series where you get to see my art coloring away to make sure you all get the best colored art there is. So until then, everybody have a blessed and wonderful day. Peace.